Okay, so what we can do is actually try to create some kind of command whereby if the chaser hits any point of our maze, it bounces rather than just float through it, which looks a little bit unnatural. So we need to go to our chaser and play around with the script on here. Okay, if we put in, let's have a look, an if else, let's have a look. So if we can say if it's touching, actually no, we leave that bit. Okay, let's use the sensing. If it's touching the maze, then we want something to happen. So you can play around with this. This is completely up to you. I'm just going to turn 15 degrees and move 3 steps. So if it touches any point of the maze, that's what's going to happen. It's going to turn 15 degrees and move 3 steps. Else, it means otherwise. If it's not touching it, right, we can drag this bit out over here. So if it's not touching it, then we can get it to point towards the eater and move 1 step if it goes in. Okay, so again we should be able to put this bit in here, and we can simply drop that bit in here. Okay, I'm not sure how this is going to look, but okay, I was doing a dance for us. Okay, still works. So try something like that. Another extension you could play around with is if the chaser eats you, then perhaps we could change characters, something like we did with the stage when we changed the backgrounds. Remember, we made 2 backgrounds. Think about how you could create another dog, but this time make a dog that's been eaten. So when the chaser catches you, it switches the costume and you see another picture of a dog.